Star Composed Chemicals Manufacturing LLC is one of the leading manufacturers of all kinds of lubricants based in Ajman, United Arab Emirates. Established in 2007, the company uses state-of-the-art technology to manufacture a wide range of automotive lubricants, industrial lubricants, and marine lubricants. Lubricants manufactured by the company are used for engines, gears, transmissions, and other vital parts of heavy, medium, light commercial vehicles, passenger cars, as well as industrial and marine applications. Designed to meet the severe performance requirements of modern automotive engines, marines, and industrial applications, lubricants manufactured by the company are gaining increasing popularity in the global and African markets. We talked to the operations manager to know more about the company.
We have 3 brands registered under our company: Startec, Pertley, and Hilux, catering to different segments. We specialize in the automotive, industrial, and the marine segment. We have been certified by the ISO since our inception in 2007. Our mainstream brand Startec either matches or exceeds all equivalent international standards and specifications. Our certifications by various OEMs stand as a statement to our quality. In the year 2020, we introduced a newly launched brand, Hilux. This is where you get value for money. You get the best quality at the best price. It's a cost-effective product that meets the customer expectations. It's basically a win-win.
All lubricants are manufactured from 100% virgin oil and international additives at the company's blending plant in Ajman.
All our products are manufactured from 100% virgin oil. It is our guarantee, and we mention it on all our cans and cartons. We are also active and available on all social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube, and Twitter.
The company's manufacturing plant is certified to ISO 9001:2015 standards, and its products have received EEL QMS ACEA certification. Its products have also gained various OEM approvals like Caterpillar, Volvo, Renault, Mack, Jasso MA2. The state-of-the-art blending and packaging plant located in Ajman is run by a well-trained and experienced workforce. The plant has dedicated lines for additives and base oils. Storage and filling facilities provide for maximum flexibility in packing sizes and filling speeds without compromising the product quality. In order to control and ensure the highest quality of its lubricants, the company has a dedicated laboratory that follows stringent quality control procedures in order to ensure all standard parameters and specifications are met. Having established itself in the local and regional markets, Startec has rapidly expanded further into the global markets and has been exporting its products to Oman, Saudi Arabia, Nigeria, Uganda, Gabon, Cameroon, Togo, Morocco, Lebanon, Iraq, Syria, Pakistan, Afghanistan, Bahrain, Jordan, and Bangladesh, to name a few. The company also provides private labeling and toll blending services, also known as third-party blending, for customers requiring products in their own brand names. The sales and marketing teams work closely with each other to ensure timely deliveries and complete satisfaction of all customers. Startec is in a continuous process of adding strategic, like-minded partners, agents and dealers to further strengthen its sales and distribution network in the international market, and has tied up with numerous agencies to provide an effective after-sales service to its customers. With a variety of brands catering to different segments, Startec continues to focus on its objective to meet the ever-increasing demand for quality lubricants in the African market. The company has pronounced presence on social media. Star Composed Chemicals Manufacturing LLC, where quality comes first.